It's me, Shrensa Vista from grade 5, and today I'm here to deliver a speech on the topic of environment. So let me begin without any delay. When we look around, we see many things like plants, animals, birds, houses, trees, forests, schools, etc. The things that exist in our surrounding forms environment. It includes all living and non-living things. Clean environment is very necessary for our health. So, we should keep our house, courtyard, and our surrounding neat and clean. Thus, keeping our surrounding clean is called environmental sanitation. Bacteria, virus, and other microorganisms are harmful to our health. Environmental sanitation plays an important role to protect us from those harms. So, sanitation is very necessary for our health. Its importance are, it saves our lives. We can get fresh air for breathing. We can get safe water for drinking. And lastly, it reduces the spread of diseases. At last, I would like to say that environment is necessary for us. Without environment, we cannot survive. So, we should follow the rules of environmental sanitation. Thank you. Have a nice day.